Just one drop. That's all it takes. Under the microscope, something unbelievable happens. Tiny moving organisms suddenly slow, then stop, as if time itself has frozen them in place. No warning, no escape. What is in that single drop of vinegar that causes such a shocking reaction? Is it harmless, or silently powerful in ways we've never imagined? Scientists have seen it. Few truly understand it. And once you witness this microscopic moment, you'll never look at vinegar the same way again. Stay with me, because what happens next is even more disturbing. Have you ever paused to consider the unseen battles that rage all around us, beneath the soil, in a single drop of water, or within the very air we breathe? We often focus on the grand narratives, the epic struggles visible to the naked eye. But true wisdom, I believe, often lies in understanding the microscopic, the humble, the forces that shape our world from its most fundamental level. It is in this unseen realm that I, a lifelong student of nature's intricate dance, found a profound lesson, a lesson in vulnerability, surprising power, and the absolute efficacy of a simple solution. My laboratory, a sanctuary of curiosity, is where I spend my days peering into worlds invisible. Through the lens of my microscope, the mundane transforms into the magnificent, the inert into the vibrant. My latest quest, born of a quiet observation, was to understand the resilience, or perhaps the lack thereof, of one of Earth's most ubiquitous inhabitants, the nematode. These are not creatures of legend, no dragons or titans. They are microscopic worms, unassuming, delicate, yet found almost everywhere, in staggering numbers. What struck me most about them, as I observed their ceaseless wriggling under the powerful magnification, was their apparent fragility. They possess no thick skin, no protective shells, just soft, translucent bodies, a testament to life's adaptability, yet also its inherent vulnerability. For years, I'd heard anecdotal tales of common household substances possessing unexpected powers. Vinegar, a staple in kitchens worldwide, often came up. Could something so benign, so accessible, truly hold the key to disrupting these pervasive microscopic populations? My scientific curiosity was piqued. I decided to put it to the test, not with grand theories, but with direct, observable evidence. My experiment was simple. Introduce live nematodes and their accompanying microbial world to different types of vinegar, and watch, in real time, how life and death unfolded. The first subject under my lens was a bustling community of nematodes, thriving amidst a swirl of bacteria. I prepared a solution of 6% grape vinegar, its familiar tang a stark contrast to the sterile environment of my lab. With a precise hand, I introduced a single drop to the slide, allowing it to gently seep into the microscopic ecosystem. The transformation was instantaneous, yet eerily silent. The nematodes, moments before writhing with vibrant energy, seemed to go into a collective shock. Their frantic movements ceased, their tiny bodies freezing mid-contortion. It was as if an invisible curtain had fallen, halting their world in an instant. I watched, mesmerized, as the seconds ticked into minutes. Within 10 minutes, the initial shock gave way to absolute stillness. Every single nematode, once a pulsating thread of life, was completely immobile. Their delicate forms, once so fluid, now lay rigid, lifeless. But the vinegar's reach extended beyond the nematodes. The bacteria, those tiny, tireless architects of decay and life, also did not survive. Under the acidic assault, they seemed to simply dissolve. It was like watching sugar melt into hot tea, their forms blurring, then vanishing, leaving behind only the clear, potent solution. The story of the eggs was equally compelling, though with a slight variation. Nematode eggs that had already been laid, existing independently outside the mother's body, showed a similar rapid decline. Within 10 minutes, their nascent life force, their potential for future generations, was extinguished. However, the eggs still protected within the mother's body, a testament to nature's instinct for preservation, lasted a little longer. They held on, resisting the inevitable for approximately 30 minutes, before succumbing to the relentless chemical onslaught. It was a brief, poignant battle, a final, desperate stand against an overwhelming force. My next step was to test a different variant, 5% apple cider vinegar. Logically, one might expect a slightly less concentrated solution to have a milder, slower effect. But the microscopic world often defies our expectations. What unfolded next was truly surprising, even to my seasoned eyes. The apple cider vinegar, with its slightly lower acetic acid content, had an astonishingly faster impact. I applied the solution, and the chaos began almost immediately. Within a mere 3 minutes, an incredible 95% of the nematodes were dead. Their brief lives were over, cut short with a speed that left me breathless. And in just 5 minutes, every single nematode on the slide was rendered completely immobile, their movements permanently stilled. It was a stark, undeniable demonstration of potency. The mechanism behind this swift and brutal efficiency became clear as I observed the nematode's decomposition. Vinegar, at its core, is a dilute solution of acetic acid. This acid, despite its seemingly gentle nature in our kitchens, is a powerful chemical agent at the cellular level. It kills nematodes not through brute force, but through a relentless chemical assault, effectively causing what could only be described as chemical burns. Their delicate skin, lacking any substantial protection, would begin to peel away. Their bodies would swell, distorting their once streamlined forms. Then, the acetic acid would rapidly break down their fundamental building blocks, proteins and fats. It was a complete systemic collapse, a dismantling of their very essence. Their bodies would decompose, disintegrating before my eyes, leaving no trace of their former existence. My observations led to an undeniable conclusion, a powerful truth whispered by the microscopic world. Both types of vinegar, the 6% grape and the 5% apple cider, were not merely effective, they were extremely effective. They offered a quick, decisive, and absolute solution to the pervasive challenge posed by nematodes and bacteria. There was no chance for escape, no opportunity for adaptation, no quarter given. Once exposed, their fate was sealed, their world irrevocably altered in moments. This simple experiment, conducted in the quiet solitude of my lab, offered a profound lesson that extends far beyond the realm of microscopic worms. It taught me about the hidden power in the seemingly ordinary, the surprising efficacy of direct action, and the unwavering truth that even the most widespread and resilient challenges have their fundamental vulnerabilities. Sometimes the solution isn't complex or exotic. It's right there, in plain sight, waiting to be applied with precision and understanding. It's a testament to the fact that when a focused, potent force meets a fundamental weakness, the outcome is often swift, absolute, and undeniably transformative. And that, my friends, is a lesson worth carrying into every challenge we face, big or small. The deeper lesson is simple but profound. Small actions matter. A tiny choice, a single habit, or one decision today can shape your future in ways you don't immediately notice. Instead of ignoring the small things, start paying attention to them. Your daily routines, your words, your mindset. Adjust them carefully, because over time, They can either freeze your growth or unlock your full potential. What do you think? Can small changes really transform your life in a big way? Share your thoughts in the comments so everyone can learn from each other. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel Everyday Vital Path to support us and stay motivated for more powerful content ahead.